step number 1, unroll the crescent rolls. This is the worst part. Oh, so scary. Oh. Oh boy. Step number 2 is putting marshmallow cream on top of the crescent rolls. You're gonna wanna put a really generous portion of it on each one. The more, the better. Okay. Next step is taking cinnamon and mixing it with sugar. Mix it up. And then you're going to take your cinnamon sugar mixture and you're going to shake it across the marshmallow cream. Then do that for all right, next thing you're going to do is you're going to roll it up. They're not gonna look pretty, and that's okay. They're gonna taste really great. Not the healthiest treat, so definitely eat them in moderation. But you are going to bake them at 375 for about 10 minutes, and it's as easy as that. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy.